Hello, my name is Johnny Mapinga, and today I will explain how the Dukalangu app works. So Dukalangu app was created for the purpose of serving the small entrepreneur who are owning this small business, small shops. And in a way of helping them, we have created the Dukalangu app to help them to track their sales and maintain their inventory and track the expenses. So through the Dukalangu app, the small entrepreneur, they'll be able to understand how the business goes, to determine the profits of the business, and to be able to decide, make different decisions on the business, and also to understand that which product they are selling the most, so that they can prioritize during purchases of new products. We created this Dukalangu app to target best the developing country and mostly the East African country, which are mostly speaking Swahili and English. So we decided to create something which is appropriate to them. So we decided to implement in the app in two languages, Swahili and English. So at first, if you download the app and open, it will prompt you to select the language. So I will select the English language for the purpose of everybody to understand. So the next stage, you will get this welcome to Dukalangu, and let's begin. So as you install the app for the first time, it detects you that you are a new user, so it will prompt you to register. So for our case, we'll go direct to the login. And here we log in. Yeah, so we have successfully logged into the app, and here we found that these are the products that we have already added to our stock. So it will get you the most sold product, that the most selling product here, or if you have sold nothing, so it will get just the first 16 products. And you find that this hamburg menu, if you click it, there's a sidebar here with a lot of menus. Here is a home whereby you find this product. Here is my shop. You find that there is a shop here, and there is this other button whereby we have created this app to manage more than multiple shops, more than one shop. So you can add the other shop and using the same app to manage more than 2 shops. And here is where you will be prompted to enter a new stock. So if you want to add a stock, you come here and name a product, quantity, buying price, selling price, and expire date. You see, so we have put a default expire date plus 10 years from now. But if you have your own expire product, you should add there. Then we come here. There is another menu called remove destroyed product. As other shop, there might be some product that have been destroyed, so you need to deduct them from your stock, online stock, so that the online stock could match with the physical stock. So here is the place whereby you deduct the destroyed product. There is other menu whereby you enter expenses. So as other shop was as an institute, so we consider that a shop, in order to understand the basically the profit of the shop, sometimes you just need to consider only the buying price and the selling price. You need to consider the accompanying costs like the transport and everything. So we added a place whereby you add the details of your expenses. So you add every expenses, you record every expenses, so that you can have a report of expenses at the end of the day. And the other menu is selling price. Here in selling price is where we update the selling price. So as it's loading, it will give you the list of all of your products that you have, but you can update the selling price and the buying price and the selling price. So if you want to adjust the selling price, you come here and search the product and adjust the selling price. So we come on the last thing is called reports. These are the reports, and before go to report, let's finish with the last thing is data sales. We have put this right here, as this is the day, say this is the report just will give you the sale of today. And the rest is privacy and policy link if you want to read privacy and policy, terms and condition, and the user license agreement. At the bottom, at last, there is a button which has two sides, which here the other one is English, the other one is Swahili. So this button will help you to change the language to English, to Swahili, and to English. So as you can see, as you change, it will change the language to English and Swahili. So it will be easy for anybody who feel like any language is comfortable to him or her to use it. So let's stick with the report. These are the report that we have put here. So if you find this report that we have put here, there is a sales report. Sales report, see, by default will bring the sales of today. As long as there is no sales today, so let's filter at least this month, so that we can get this month's sales. So you find out we have fetched since 1st of February to up to this day today, we have found that there is this sales. So you can get a report of this per card, you see. And this top, we find out there's a determination of the profit, total selling, total buying, and the profit. And here it will determine the debt. It determine if as our app allow to sell products on credit. So it will determine like the total sales was this, and the amount was supposed to be paid was this, but the amount paid was this. So the debt from this sales are 2,000. You see. Let's come on sales summary. Here in sales summary, we have decided to create a sales summary whereby user can export to Excel and PDF for other purpose. And there is stock status. This is stock status. Will explain like the stock value that you have currently on your stock. It shows the stock value and all the items, the quantity, and the buying price, and the expiry date that are in your stock. Here is where you get the most sold product. So here it will give you the most sold product, item, number of order, and the quantity and the price. So we have linked it through the number of order. So sometime you may have the item has a lot of number of order, but the price is small. You understand? So we have linked it through the number of order to determine like each order has a customer. So to escape that one customer has just come one day and buying a lot of products. And then you come here, you filter expired stock. Here will get you all stock that have expired. Here you track item usage. You search the item, you filter the date, and then it will track you from that date how item has gone through the stock, when it gets in, when it gets out, and everything. Here's a product list key, and these are the expenses list. So let's get back to home. There's that where we were talking about the reports. So let's see, like you have entered the stock and everything is done. How do you sell? How do you create your cards? Like you have find the customer. So to create a card is simple. You just click here, and it will count. If you click twice, it means that you press. And at the end of the day, you might click here down and you can find the whole cart here. This is the whole cart. So here under the item name, there is a buying price. You see, like there is explanation here. Below the item is the buying price. And there is a quantity here. And you can change the quantity if you want to, like 3. It will update. By the way, it deny that. They say that just remain 1. The stock is a little, just remain 1. So let's change the other one, maybe this one. This was updated successful. So at the bottom here, we have tried to list all the details, like the total price, selling price of these items, and the total buying cost, the profit, and the profit after discount. And then we have created the place whereby you can set the discount. If I set the discount to 1,000, it will tell me like profit after discount is this. So we have put these more details to help the users to understand the discount that they are giving their customer. Sometimes you might give your customer the discount that is equal to the amount of profit, and you find yourself you're not getting the profit. So this app is here to help you. So you can add the customer name and customer phone number to create a relation with the customer. As they come another day, you may find out this customer, they have this business with me, like this and this and this. Down here is to finish the cart, finish to submit the cart, and the red button here is to clear the cart. So if you postpone to sell the whole cart, you can clear the cart, but I'll submit the cart. So cart submitted successful. It means that the sales was done successful. And if we come here on the daily sale, we will find our cart that we have sold is here. So this is the general purpose of our app. So through this, we believe that most of small entrepreneurs, they will be able to track their sales, their inventory, their expenses, and they'll be in a better position to succeed in their business.